Alright, hi everyone. Today we're going to be opening up some Disney Wishables here at the Aulani Resort. So I believe we have 6 bags. This is going to be number 1. So hopefully we are able to get all of them.
Got
Goofy, Shave Ice, which is I'm really hoping for, Chip, and some Spam Musubi.
Mickey shaped.
So let's see.
Bag number 1 is
Hey,
Shave Ice.
Shave Ice.
She's cute.
Nice. So let's see bag number 2.
Got it.
It's gonna be. What's that?
Oh,
Chip. Aw. He's cute.
Wearing his kukui nuts.
Yeah, winking. Cheeky.
Very cute.
So we got 4 more to open. And we just need 2 more left, so here we go.
What's it gonna be?
Another chip. Nice.
He's cute.
I think we can paint his nose red and just call him Dale, right?
Number 4.
Yeah,
Another chip. That's
Chocolate.
okay.
It's totally fine, but I'm gonna be angry if I get another chip. Come on. Here we go. Yay!
Oh, the Musubi.
I think it's massive. Oh my god, look at the size comparison.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger.
Imagine trying to eat this.
Was it like on the back?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, see the rice?
Oh, the little rice grains. Yeah, that's cute.
Very cute.
So what do we need? We just need Goofy, right?
Just Goofy.
And that's already 5, so we just need 1 more. Hopefully this is it, and I think it is.
Let's see.
So we'll see.
Yay, the full set. Woo! Very nice.
Let me,
Put them in
1,
here.
2, 3.
The gang's all here.
The gang's all here, guys.
It's looking good. Beautiful day to Aulani.